fellow poets, I have one more quick video for you. This one will show you how you can preview what you've created in your site and also how to share the link once you're ready to share it with me at the end of the week. So once you've started playing around with creating your site and you want to see what it might look like for other people as an actual website, up here along the top of the page, you'll see this icon, which is, when I click on it, it is the preview icon. So I'm going to click on that, and that allows me to see what this will look like as an actual website. You can see that it takes up a lot more room on the page and looks very different than it does when I'm in the editing phase. You can also see what it would look like on a phone, on a mobile device. So definitely that's different as well. And then you can see what it would look like on a tablet. So again, a little bit, things get laid out differently. So you can experiment with what your reader, your viewer, is going to see. So once I close out of the preview, if I decide that I'm ready to share my link, what I'm going to do is go to this Publish button. And when I click on the Publish button, it will ask me to give my Google site a name. So I'm going to name this GR Gail Robinson Portfolio, and then 126. Of course, you can use whatever name you want for your portfolio. You don't need to do a custom domain. You can if you want to, but that is completely not necessary. And then the thing that you have to focus on is who can view my site. So I'm going to click on Manage. And again, like when you're sharing a Google Doc, the place you want to focus is down here for General Access. So under General Access, you have the option for it to be restricted, which means nobody else will be able to see the site that you're creating. Or you can choose anyone with the link, and that's what you want to choose, anyone with the link. Nobody will be able to see your site unless you directly give the link to them. So it's not like it's getting published on the internet for anyone to see. If you want a little bit of extra protection around that, under this Published Site option, you can click on, oh no, I guess you can't change that right now. But since you're not publishing it for anyone to view, you're just sharing the link, then you don't need to worry about other people viewing it if you haven't given them permission. So now I'm going to click Done, and this should give me, I can also click here, Request Search Public Search Engines not to display my site. So I'm going to click that as well. And now I'm going to click Publish. And it says it's been published successfully down at the bottom of the page here. I can click on View, and that will show me, should show me what it looks like published, but it doesn't seem to be doing that. So I'm not sure what happened there. Like I said, I'm still learning about this myself. But what I can do, I think, what I do is go up here to my URL, and I'm going to copy that link, and I'm going to just see what happens if I'm going to go to another document here, and I'm going to put the link here in this document. I'm kind of experimenting as we go. All right, so now I'm going to click on this and see if that actually, look at that, it opened it. And it opened it in its state where it's still being edited. So it's not the actual ready to, here we can go look at the published site, view published site. I clicked on that little drop down arrow. So now I see the published site. So I'm still working through the kinks on this, but for what we need to do this week, just sharing that URL with me will certainly work, and we'll figure out the best way for you to share your oh, I see. Sorry. Along the top here, you can also copy your published site link here. So this is where the link is, where you grab it to share the link. So that's a helpful thing to know. I'm, like I said, figuring it out as we go. So hopefully this will help, and we'll see how it goes at the end of the week.